Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Have you ever looked at your feline friend and wondered, is my cat smiling at me? Well, today we're going to find out. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of feline facial expressions and body language, and learn how to read your cat's emotions. First things first, let's talk about the infamous cat smile. You might have noticed that cats don't smile in the same way humans do, but they do have a natural, relaxed expression that can resemble a smile. This is often accompanied by slow blinking, which is a sure sign of contentment and trust. But wait, there's more. Cats also have a unique way of communicating called the Flehmen response. It's like a big, open-mouthed smile that helps them detect scents and pheromones. They might even raise their tail or paw to help them get a better whiff. Of course, there are plenty of other ways cats show their happiness. Purring is a big one, and it's a great way to communicate back to them. Just try slow blinking and purring back, they'll love it. Head-butting is another adorable way cats show affection. They might even combine it with a little nuzzle or nuzzle-knead combo. So, the next time you see your cat with that relaxed expression, slow blinking, or doing the Flehmen response, you can be sure they're in a happy and content mood. And don't forget to reciprocate their affection by slow blinking, purring, and giving them lots of love. Thanks for joining us today, fellow cat lovers. We hope you enjoyed learning about feline facial expressions and body language. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more fun and informative videos about our furry friends. Until next time, keep smiling with your cats. Meow.